guys, welcome back. Today I'm making something incredibly soft, fluffy, and absolutely delicious. Yes, homemade milk bread. If you've never tried making this before, don't worry, it's super easy and I know you're going to love it. So let's dive right in. First, we are going to start by mixing together our wet ingredients. So I have here my warm milk, not too hot, just warm to the touch. We'll crack in 1 egg, add in a little bit of sugar and give it a gentle stir. Now I'm going to go ahead to add in my active dry yeast, stir that in really well, then cover it and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This gives the yeast time to activate and get all bubbling. Okay, now 10 minutes later our yeast mixture is nice and foamy. Now we'll go ahead to pour in my melted butter. Okay, we'll stir it really well, then set it aside. Now moving on to our dry ingredients. In a clean mixing bowl, I'm going to add in my flour, then add in some sugar, some salt to taste, and just a touch of grated nutmeg. Okay, this gives the dough that warm and nice flavor. Okay, we'll give everything a quick mix, then we'll go ahead to pour in our wet mixture. All right, so at this point, I'm going to mix everything really well until we get that shaggy dough. Once our dough is well mixed, I'm going to go ahead to transfer it into a clean surface. Okay, I'm going to add in just a little oil. I'm using butter because I just like the taste it gives to the dough. I'm going to go ahead to knead it for about 10 to 15 minutes, okay, until you get that smooth and elastic texture. Once our dough is ready, I'm going to go ahead to transfer it into a grease bowl. Okay, I'm using butter. Like I said, you can use any oil at all you want. We'll go ahead to cover it with a plastic wrap, then cover it with my kitchen towel and let it sit in a warm place for about 50 minutes to an hour. Normally, I place it in a turn-off oven and let it double in size. So 50 minutes later, our dough has doubled in size beautifully. I'll go ahead to punch out the gas from it and divide the dough into 4 equal pieces, depending on the size you're going for. We'll go ahead to flatten it down with my rolling pin, then shape it. And guys, if I tell you this bread came out so delicious, trust me, if you try it, you are going to love it. So I'm going to place it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Then repeat the same process for each of the dough. Once I'm done shaping it, I will go ahead to place them in my baking sheet, then cover it with a plastic wrap and a kitchen towel. We'll let it sit for 40 to 50 minutes or until it doubles in size. All right, so 50 minutes later, our dough has doubled in size beautifully. I'll go ahead to remove the kitchen towel and the plastic wrap, then brush the top with egg wash. Now we'll go ahead to pop them into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake them for about 30 to 40 minutes or until they are nice and golden brown. All right, so 40 minutes later, our bread is ready. So I'm going to take them out and let it cool down completely. And guys, you know me, I can't resist them while they are warm. And there you have it. Your soft, buttery, fluffy milk bread is ready. It's so delicious. Oh my goodness. Just look how soft this bread is. I posted a jam recipe recently on my channel. You can check it out. It goes really well with this bread. All right, if you try this recipe, please don't forget to comment down below and let me know how it turns out. Until I come your way with another amazing recipe, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.